So many felt the vaccine was presented as a cure that wouldn't require regular booster shots. Was that something you believed early on, or did you always believe that many regular shots would be required? And maybe in a bigger picture, how many do you think this will, for the Pfizer vaccine, is it something you see that's taking a booster shot regularly, like annually?
Yes. In the beginning, when we had the first months of the vaccine, people would ask me, do we need another one? And I said, we don't know.
Yeah.
I was very clear about it. Then around April, May, I started seeing the first data, and I made statements that I think we will need a booster around 8 to 12 months after the second dose. And then after that, annual revaccinations. This is what I said, believe is one of the most likely scenarios. And it was based on the data that I had. But then Delta came. And because I always making the caveat that with absent a new variant, with everything we know. With Delta, it was proven that we need the booster to move to the 6 months. And this is what happened. And I still said, I think the booster is 6 months, and then I think it will be an annual revaccination. Likely. We have to monitor to see the data, but this is the likely scenario. Now, we have Omicron. And Omicron says that 2 doses might be challenging. We don't know exactly yet, but 3 doses work. So clearly a lot of countries already started moving now the 3rd dose, not from 6 months to 3, so that they will reduce the period that people will not be protected with the 3rd dose. I don't know with Omicron how long this will last. And frankly, I don't know if we will need a new vaccine tailor-made to Omicron based on everything we know so far. We are monitoring, and we will know way more in the weeks to come. If there is a need for a new vaccine, we will have it. And if there is a need for mass production of this new vaccine, I can also feel very comfortable that we will not lose any of our capacity that we have developed. Right now, we are running at 1 billion, almost, approximately, doses per quarter, 4 per year. And if we have to switch and have half of that in the new, half of that in the old, we will do still 4 billion doses. So I think the world should feel very, very comfortable that if there is a need, we will be ahead of the virus.